Hey guys, this is Cord from Heartland Building Center here with the brand new Milwaukee Monday. Today I wanted to showcase the brand new M12 pruning hatchet. This thing just came out from Milwaukee and it's a beast. 6-inch Oregon blade on it, both right-handed and left-handed operation. Got a little battery indicator here. M12 battery just pops in right there. Takes a little bit to spool up, but once it goes, it should be able to cut just about anything you have. This will go 120 cuts in 3-inch hardwood, so you're going to get a lot of cut capacity and a lot of runtime on it. So let's run this thing. Safety first. Just let it spool up real quick. And that's all there is to it. Like I said, this is the M12 FUEL pruning hatchet. We got this thing in stock in Hayes, Russell, and Stockton. So if you guys want to stop by and look at it, we got it. Hey guys, thanks for watching our videos here on our YouTube channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And also hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every single time we post a new video on our YouTube channel. And also just comment down below and let us know which tools you want us to do for Milwaukee Monday. I just kind of choose random ones as I go. So if you want to see something special on our channel, just comment and let me know. And then we'll see you next time on our new Milwaukee Mondays.